Let's build a bracket for this anchor charger. VARSK contour gauge with 5 and 10 inches versions in this one package. Just like that, within 1 second, I'm able to get the shape and the height of the charger. It is very useful for copying the shape or the profile of an object. This is not an interesting test case because obviously you can trace the edge. When we have an irregular shape, it is pretty evident that with this tool, the shape of profile can be easily obtained and you can lock it. It's locked, so not gonna go anywhere. The shape will be maintained, so it's time to trace it. This is the part that I'm going to cut off. So here's the thing. The contour gauge is flexible, so the hole may be smaller than expected. Therefore, it's always useful to have a file and sneak up to the exact fit. Now, let's mount it under my desk. It's done. I accidentally broke it. Should have pre-drilled a larger hole, but I can totally make another one. Looks great. It also comes with 2 little wrenches that can be used to tighten or fine-tune the tension of the gauge. It features a metal core, so it's quite sturdy, and I am not able to bend it easily. So this is the tension adjustment by using these 2 little screws. Same up goes to the 10-inch version. You get a ruler here in inches and in centimeters. 25, 26. Can be easily reset by pressing down like this and ready to go. If I want to make a cut around the pipe, the 10-inch version is essential when working around large objects.